Hello, in front of me I've got HUAWEI FreeClip. In this video I'll show you how to wear your earbuds. In the beginning, go to HUAWEI AI Live. Go to Help. Select how to wear. Here is the tutorial about how to wear. As you can see, this part with the speaker goes to the ear. Let's check if it's any difference which earbud goes where. And as you can see, there is no signs of left and right earbud, so I think we can put both in both ears. Scroll down to learn more about wearing your earbud. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.